Hey everyone, Scott here. Wanted to do a quick review of the Ring Spotlight Starter Kit and bridge. Right here is the bridge with a plug and micro USB cord to plug into the bridge right here. Here's your mount for the bridge if you need to mount it to the wall or something. In this toolbox, it comes all this hardware, the mounting kit, and the cord and plug, along with this screwdriver with a Phillips head and flathead. Here's the two spotlights. Pretty easy to get open to the batteries. You just twist this right here to unlock and lock, and the battery compartment is on the inside here. Both of them operate the same way. The battery compartment is pretty easy to get open. To adjust the lights, once you get them hung up or before you hang them up, you adjust these right here. This is for the up and down of the light, and this is to move it left and right. Pretty easy to unscrew and tighten back up on both of them, but both lights have that. And so pretty neat little product. You connect to the Ring app to allow you some more light in the backyard or wherever you want to put it up.